Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is an exciting day. I just made an 18-hour road trip to pick up our new build. As you guys saw in the thumbnail, it's an F350 King Wrench. Super excited. It's got good miles. It's hitting the front end and it's coming. Look at that. It's coming all the way. Let's go ahead and get this thing loaded and so we can check it out. We got ourselves a Chevy pulling a Ford. Ford on the trailers. That's kind of the thing to do. Alright, just like that, we got this F350 loaded on the trailer. But the main reason why we came up here, guys, look at this. We bought ourselves a sauna stove. It's a Morrison Stove Co. Had to drive all the way up here because, you know, they didn't want to get it shipped, and that's another future project which we're really excited about. But let's go ahead and check out this F350. This thing, we only paid what, $18,000 for it. Had to pay a lot of storage fees because it took us a while to get up here. But after looking at this thing, pretty sweet, you know. But let's go check it out. So this is the King Wrench, but it's not a two-stage, which is kind of weird. We're gonna have to paint the bottom, you know, since we gotta paint the whole truck. It's got like the 360 cameras, and I feel like a Ford dealer selling guy. But let's see. It's got DEF, or maybe it's deleted. So we'll look around that. These wheels look pretty sweet. I don't think I've seen a King Wrench with these kind of rims. It's got nice tires. It's got some reflectors, so I don't know if it was a tow truck or what. But rust-wise, doesn't look so bad. Let's go up here. If they have any parts up here, I had to put that inside, but it's got power in it. All right, it's not working. Let's go inside. Let's keep going. It's four-wheel drive, which is good. Look, it's got the gold stickers on there. So we'll have the gold bottom too, you know? Got a Bobcat sticker on it. That's really good. Pearl white. Look at the shine. And look at that interior. So nice. So we fixed one of these, but it was a gas one, so now we had to upgrade to a diesel powered unit. My finger. Airbags did deploy. And unfortunately, even the dash blew. So the dash blew, the steering wheel, seat belts, that. I mean, whatever, it's all fixable, just a lot of work. Michael's gonna love doing this dash, and I'm gonna do the rest of the work. But the interior is really in mint condition. I think it only has like 110,000 miles on it, which is not bad. Let's go up front, look underneath to see if there's any damage underneath. And check that out. So, looks like it's got a custom exhaust. It's missing that centerpiece, but you know, nothing that I can do about it. That's pretty sweet. But the shocks got busted, so it looks like maybe from the forklift, which is very common. But you gotta move these things around, so. Oh, look at that. That's rough. But let's go to the front. Looks like a little oil leak, maybe. But the frame looks good. That looks good. Don't really want to take this apart because we got a long drive. But no headlights, full front end. Looks like the frame rail's moved over. Not a big deal. But let's go ahead and strap this thing down and hit the road. Alright guys, so we made it to Chicago, found a parking lot, we're in downtown, and we found a sauna bathhouse. Let's check it out. Gotta make like a half-mile walk, but parking is hard over here. But we got Lowe's. Let's go. What is it called? The bathhouse? I think that's it. Let's try it. Alright guys, so we made it to the sauna. It's pretty sick. Can't really record in there, but we would definitely do it again. Let's go upstairs. Extreme. Alright guys, just like that, we made the 18-hour, 19-hour road trip back to South Carolina. You know, last night we went to that bathhouse. Pretty cool sauna place. We definitely love that kind of stuff. But the truck is back at the shop. We still haven't tried to start this thing, so let's go ahead and unstrap it. It's raining outside, so it's gonna be a little wet and cold. So let's get this thing unstrapped, hopefully start it, drive it into the shop, and then really check it out. So that's the exciting part, you guys. This strap was not tight. No, it was tight. I'm just kidding, guys. I think it was warmer in Minnesota than it is South Carolina. Like, I think I brought the cold weather down here. No good, no good. All right, now is the fun part. It's all taped up. Ugh. Let's see. Oh man. All right, guys, our first test drive. Not really, but our first roll off. Let's go ahead and untape this thing. Something's rubbing on it. Man, they did such a good job taping this thing up. Wow. Should we just get a knife? Oh, look at that. It's got an intake on it. Look at that radiator. She took a hit. Hey, we get a Minnesota tag. I've been wanting one of those. All right, guys. Oh yeah, cast aluminum. Took a hit. So I think that's power steering. We got AC. We got transmission cooler, intercooler, radiator, fan. A lot of stuff. But the important part is our washer fluid's good. Look at that. This side looks pretty good, actually. Maybe a little bit of damage right there. Not too bad. Just wondering if we could take off the bumper. What's rubbing? It's not that bad, actually, right there. Maybe get like a chain really quick and just try to pull it. Be right back. Hold on. Is it neutral? Hold on, it might be. Hold on. It's good. Look at that framework right there, outside in the rain with my buddy. All right, let's put some power to this thing. See if we can start it, drive it inside the shop, because. Okay, it starts. Let's go open up the garage door and pull it inside. All right, guys, just like that, we got it inside the shop. It's nice to have a shop, work inside. A little bit warmer in here, but let's go ahead and take this apart, because when I was driving it, did not want to steer to the left. It just clinked up and then right a little bit more. So most likely the steering link, probably some suspension damage. No power steering, because even though this is the power steering cooler, maybe it's leaking somewhere. But let's go ahead and take apart this front end and see this hidden damage, because I can see, look at the frame rails. This guy is supposed to be over here. This guy is maybe that way more, but it looks like it kink, but it looks like it had like a snow plow or something in the front. So maybe that saved it from being crazy, but got some aftermarket stuff in here. Oh, we need this module. Maybe. But anyways, let's go ahead and tear down the front end and hopefully not find hidden damage. All right guys, before we start taking apart the outside or the front end, let's look at the inside. So this beautiful interior, such nice color, you know. Nice leather, looks like somebody took care of it, but all the airbags deployed. We got the seat airbags, look at that. We got the curtains all deployed. Somebody sliced them, good thing. The dash is blown, the seat belts. Well, this one might be good. The clock spring, all of it, a lot of blown airbags. So we're gonna take apart the interior, take the headliner off, and start ordering airbags, which shouldn't be a big deal. Get the SRS module out, get the seat belt out, and get them sent away, because that takes a little bit of time to get fixed. So we gotta get this thing rolling. But let's go and take apart the front end. All right, so there we have it. We took apart the front end, and like I said, we did find more damage. Well, not too bad though. So the fan clutch bracket, everything busted out of its thing, but it looks like that we can just unbolt this, you know, get a new one in, and looks like the engine's good because we did drive it inside. And also why we couldn't steer so good is look at these frame rails. So this one's all the way there, the gearbox right there, so it's maxing out turning to the right or left. I think it's to the left. So we can't turn left, we can't turn right. But this is enough for us to at least get this thing on the frame machine. I don't see any other damages, but we got to order a lot of parts. So, and they're going to be expensive. But I mean, it is what it is. But unfortunately, that's all the time we got for this episode, you guys. Leave us a comment down below. Is this worth rebuilding? We paid what, $18,000 for this thing. We spent about $1,200, you know, driving up there, picking this thing up, you know, having a good old time. And then the parts. So parts, I'm estimating maybe like $5,000, $6,000, maybe more, maybe less. We'll see until next time. Well, leave us a comment down below. We'll catch you guys next time.